item number 2 and 6, Lordship. Mr. S.C. Vishwas is appearing on behalf of the petitioner. I am praying for adjournment for the day. He has not come to court due to his personal difficulty.
He is not come for?
Due to personal difficulty, he has not come to court today. I am praying for adjournment for the day. He is appearing for the petition. 2 and 6,
2 and 6.
Lordship.
My lord, consent not taken just now come to know, my lord. I have no objection otherwise. But long pending matter, my lord.
2016-17. Why don't you argue?
Kindly do it tomorrow, Lordship. Can you fix a date tomorrow? He has not come to court, Lordship.
No, it's not possible. All right, citing personal difficulty on the part of the arguing counsel, Mr. S.C. Vishwas, appearing for the petitioner in this case, a prayer for adjournment has been made with a request to post the matter for hearing again after a week. Mr. K.K. Parasar, Learned CGC, appearing for the response number 1 to 6, is present and submits that this being an old matter, the court may expedite the hearing of this case. Although I find the submission of Mr. Parasar significant, yet considering the ground on which the prayer is made, the same stands alone. Registry to list this case again after 10 days as a fixed item. But it is made clear that no further request for adjournment on the part of the petitioner will be considered in the matter. Full stop. Same order in item 6 also. Fateh Khali, instead of K.K. Parasar, who is the counsel for the respondent? SC income tax. Income tax is. Who is appearing for the respondents in item 6? The name नहीं पता है. Learned counsel for the respondents are present. Then you put it same. Yes, 2 and 6 adjourned.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, matter relates to arrear salary, my lord. The petitioner is a retired person and very ill at present, my lord. It may be listed on Monday, my lord.
But why are you rejecting the court's procedure?
My lord, earlier I approved the register.
When?
It has not come, my lord.
When?
Last week, my lord.
Call for the register. I'll check it. You had entered the case number.
Yes, my lord. This
What is
the
your case number?
Case number 311-2025.
Case number 311.
2025, but I don't remember the date, but last week, my.
2025. Okay. You please be here. We'll call. Ask the joint register bench to come with the register.
May I please your lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, 90 petitioners, my lord, for police constables. They were deprived from seating in the.
What do you want? Listing.
My lord,
Have you entered it in the register?
my lord, I have not come.
Please do it. They'll- Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I pray for listing of writ petitioners.
Rejected. Go and do it.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, your lordship.
Yes.
As my senior PK Sharma could not come to the court for some personal reason.
In the earlier 2 orders, there are reports of waterlogging in various parts of the city. Full stop. Then, although it's an old matter, item 5 also you write same thing. Same order. PK Sharma. Yes.
Kindly liberty may be granted by me.
No, they filed affidavit.
Yes, I'm filed.
Affidavit filed.
I'm filed.
In the
So
affidavit,
unless he gives consent, you can't get withdrawal with liberty because affidavit has been filed.
my lord, in the meantime, lordship, they disposed the appeal, my lord.
They disposed?
We have filed, after termination of our service, my lord,
Hmm.
we have filed an appeal, my lord.
Hmm.
An appeal was in, they annexed the appeal, my lord, dispose of, my lord, in the affidavit in opposition, by
So then why do you want to withdraw it?
challenging this,
The
my lord,
appellate
appeal,
order.
appeal,
They have to challenge the appellate order. no?
appellate order, my lord.
You don't have any objection.
Appellate order is.
All right, Mr. JNM Law School and Counsel for the petitioner submits that During the pendency of this writ petition, the respondents have disposed of this statutory appeal referred by the petitioner against the order of termination of service. Therefore, he be granted leave to withdraw this writ petition with liberty to file afresh, assailing the order of termination from service as well as the dismissal of the as well as the order passed by the appellate authority dismissing the appeal. Mr. S.S. Roy, learned CGC appearing for the respondent numbers
1 to 4.
does not have any objection if the prayer is allowed. You are also there.
5 and 6, Lord.
Mr. A. Chakravarti, learned G. Asam is present for respondent numbers 5 and 6. In view of the above, this writ petition stands disposed of on withdrawal with liberty as per.
Oblang.
In this case, I am claiming my promotion to the post of additional secretary, Lordship. Effect from the date the respondent number 4 was promoted, Lord. Now the department has filed an affidavit. Therein they have
You
admitted-
want promotion.
Lordship.
You are still in service.
No,
Then
but then, Lordship, I have put the gradation list which was published after that promotion took place, Lordship, and in that, Lordship,
no, this writ petition was filed when? After the retirement of the petitioner.
just prior to his retirement, when the respondent number 4 was promoted, Lordship. He being junior, he challenged his promotion,
Respondent number 4 is junior.
Lordship. And the department has filed an affidavit therein. They have not denied the contention, Lordship, but they said that they require some more time so that the gradation list, the correct position in the gradation list may be fixed. What stage?
So you make a representation to consider your case. We can ask them to deal with it. Beyond that, the court cannot pass an order to promote you.
My lord, may I submit, my lord? Here in this case, my
No,
long back.
take your seat. I am interacting with the
Yes,
petitioner.
it is judgment. my lord.
Lordship, that can be done, but otherwise, Lordship, they have admitted in their affidavit, that's what, Lordship.
So what is the order you want?
If they can produce what is the position, Lordship, at least I may know, Lordship. But I tried, Lordship, to get in touch with the authorities.
You tell me the legal position. WPC 31125. Sir, she says she is. Where is? Sorry, no, sorry. It's actually wrong. Ask her what she. All matters which are entered is listed. Your signature is not there. No mention of the writ petition is there. Therefore, I am taking that your submission is incorrect. No. If it is entered, you have to sign. Pointer, show the signature. Yes. Mr. Sharma,
Lordship, there is already a representation pending, Lordship.
already?
Already a representation pending.
What
That is at page 25, Lordship.
So already 11 years have gone since you have retired.
I know that, Lord.
It can't be.
Let them consider this, Lordship.
Huh?
This may be considered, Lordship, at least.
No, but show me the rule that what can they do today? If they'll consider, show me a law by which they
At least
can.
the notional benefits they can give, Lordship. That much they can consider, Lord, because they have admitted it, Lordship.
Yes, who is for the department?
I'm appearing for the department, my lord. Matter, what has happened is, my lord, it is a routine matter. I am appearing for the first time actually, my lord, because we were, prior to this, my lord, we haven't appeared, my lord. So we actually don't have the pleading, my lord. I've taken the second copy now, my lord. Previously the government advocates were there, my lord. Old guard, my lord.
The meeting of the selection committee was not held.
It was held later on, Lordship. In their affidavit, they have stated that. But
No, no, why are you challenging the gradation list?
Lordship, they fix the seniority below the my seniority below the respondent number 4 in this.
The gradation list was published when?
Lordship, it was in February 2014. Lordship, 26 to 2014. Lordship.
And before that, was there a draft gradation list?
There was nothing, Lordship, because I think probably the case was pending in the Lodge, Assam Administrative Tribunal.
Okay, where is the gradation list?
Lordship will find it at page 19.
Page 19.
Lordship. It starts there in.
So this is the provisional gradation list.
Lordship, this was the one which was published just prior to my retirement, Lordship. And therein, this incumbent was placed as serial number 3, Lordship, and I was placed as serial number 4, Lord.
Who was placed in serial number 3?
Respondent number 4.
The respondent number 4 is a SC candidate.
Yes,
Is it not?
Lordship. He is an SC.
Right. So in any case, whether you are in 4 or you are in 3, he will get a march over you.
Yes, he may, but the seniority catch-up rule will come, Lordship. And he will get
It's
it.
too late in the day for all these things now. Yes, heard Mr. MP Sharma.
Lordship, that representation at least should kindly be considered.
You show me the law which permits. Show me the law. What will they decide now? It's unnecessarily burdening the government. You rest in now.
Otherwise, they have admitted everything in the affidavit, Lordship.
Admitted what?
Lordship, they have said that the gradation list. Can we see, Lord?
Yes. What they have said?
Lordship, at paragraph 4, the second paragraph, it is stated that the existing gradation list in the cadre of UDA prior to 31/12/2002, wherein some general category candidates.
You're reading from paragraph 4.
Paragraph 4, the second proviso. Lordship.
No, this is the affidavit filed by respondent number 4.
1, 2, and 3, Lordship.
Achha. Yes. Yes.
The second proviso.
Yes.
It is stated that the existing gradation list in the cadre of UDA prior to 31/12/2002, wherein some general category candidates, including Sri Jayanto Nath, who were senior to reserve category candidates, was revised and published a notification list of a UDA file number so and so dated 31/12/2002, altering the inter-se seniority of the general category candidates, fixing the seniority of the reserve category candidate in the UDA cadre, and thereby they were made senior to the general category candidates in the UDA cadre of this service. As a result, the reserve category candidates Sri Kanak Sen Deka and Sri Mohiram Das got promotion to the post of superintendent before the general category candidates, including Sri Jayanto Nath, the petitioner. The agreed general category candidate filed the aforesaid appeal petition before the Honorable Administrative Assam Tribunal and the Honorable AAT passed the judgment and order dated 13/6/2007, whereby the gradation list published by number so and so dated 31/12/2002 was quashed and set aside and directed the government to carefully review and scrutinize it and prepare fresh correctly and in compliance of the prescribed formalities and procedure. Accordingly, as a establishment department prepared a phase gradation list of UDA senior AA and by the order number so and so dated 29/10/2007, restoring the seniority of the general category candidates over the reserve category candidates. Thereafter, Secretariat Administration Establishment Gazetted Cell Department prepared a revised gradation list in the cadre of superintendent and published by so and so dated 22/12/2010. And on the basis of this gradation list, the general category candidates, including petitioner, Sri Jayantanath and others were promoted to the post of superintendent with retrospective effect with reference to the reserve candidates by number so and so dated 14/5/2013, number so and so dated 14/5/2013. Lordship, the rest. Again, at paragraph 6, Lordship.
You have already got the benefit of retrospective promotion as under secretary.
Yes, Lordship.
Then,
They, Lordship, they say, ultimately what they said is at paragraph 13, Lordship. Paragraph 13, Lordship. That with regard to the statements made in paragraph 12 of the writ petition, the deponent begged to state that the petitioner is not the only candidate in this process of retrospective promotion. It is stated that all the seniors will get the retrospective promotion in all the cadres, but even then, all the cases of general category candidates have been examined and considered. It is not a fact that the petitioner has been deprived. He will get his due benefit on completion of the whole process, which is taking a bit of time, Lord.
yes, Mr. Fukan, what do you have to say? You have assured him some action will be taken, but
I have to get my instructions, my lord. I'm actually today handicapped, my lord, hearing for the first time, my lord.
these are very old matters.
My
Let
current,
the department examine
Mr. my lord, that,
fresh-
that,
fresh representation along with the.
my lord.
Yes, yes.
Judgment, my lord. First time he was, when he was made junior to me, my lord, he did not, my lord, challenge. Thereafter, he also made junior, did not challenge, enjoy promotion. Third time when I was promoted, now he has come, my lord. This is the judgment, lordship, kindly have a look.
All right.
When he first time not challenge, my lord, he cannot do so, my lord.
Right, you take down, Mr.
The-
We'll ask the government to examine his grievance in the light of this.
Otherwise, my lord, he has no merit, my lord, in the,
All right.
as per law, my lord, and
I heard Mr. MP Sharma, and counsel for the writ petitioner, also heard Mr. A. Fukan, and his standing counsel, SAD department appearing for the respond numbers
1, 2.
1, 2, and 3. Full stop, Mr. A.N.M. Barbuya, learned counsel is present for the respond number 4. Full stop. The writ petitioner, who was a part of the Secretariat, Assam Secretariat Service.
I am for 2 and 3, these 2 1.
Okay, then Mr. T.C. Chutia,
Secretariat Administration Department.
who was employed under the Secretariat Administration Department of Government of Assam, retired from service
Lordship,
as a joint secretary.
Lordship,
Is it as a joint secretary?
He retired as joint secretary on
on attaining the age of
31
superannuation
5 2004.
with effect from when did he retire?
31 5 2014.
31,
5 2014.
31/5/2014. Months before his retirement, the petitioner has approached this court by filing the instant writ petition, internally assailing the gradation list
He's 19.
dated 26/2/2014 of joint secretaries in the Secretariat Service as on 31/1/2014, with a further prayer to issue a writ of mandamus directing the respondents to consider his case for promotion. According to the petitioner, a promotion and give him all consequential pecuniary benefits. According to the petitioner, the respondent number 4 has been erroneously shown to be senior to the writ petitioner, as a result of which he was deprived from promotion to the next higher rank of additional secretary. Full stop. The respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3 have filed joint affidavit clarifying their stand in the matter. Full stop. The respondent number 4 has also contested the case of the petitioner by filing affidavit. Full stop. It appears from the record that on 21/5/2014, the writ petitioner had submitted a representation before the respondent numbers 1 and 2, ventilating his grievance in the matter. Inter alia, contending that it appears from the record that not representation. On 26/2/2014, the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam, Secretariat Administration Department, had published the provisional gradation list of joint secretaries in the Secretariat Service, showing the position obtaining as on 31/01/2014. In the said list, the name of the petitioner appears at serial number 4 in order of seniority. Full stop. Aggrieved by the said gradation list, the petitioner had submitted representation dated which page is the representation?
Lordship 25. Page 25. Dated
25.
21 5 2004.
Sure. Representation dated 21/5/2014 before the respondent numbers 1 and 2. Claiming that despite being eligible for being considered for promotion to the rank of additional secretary, his case has been ignored due to non-convention of the meeting of the selection committee for filling up the vacant posts. Full stop. According to the petitioner's counsel, when no action was taken on the said representation submitted by the petitioner, the instant writ petition has been filed. Full stop. Mr. Phukan, learned departmental counsel, on the other hand, submits that this being a very old matter, he is not prepared with the instruction to make submissions before the court today. Mr. Borbuya, learned counsel for the respondent number 4, on the other hand, submits that he that due to failure of the petitioner to assail the seniority position assigned to the respondent number 4 in the previous rounds, the claim of the petitioner would be barred by the principles of waiver, estoppel, and acquiescence. As such, the petitioner is not entitled to any relief. Full stop. Next. From the materials available on record, I find that the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 4 have mentioned about the retrospective promotions given to some senior members of the service after rectifying the gradation list, whereby the inter-se seniority position earlier assigned to the reserve category candidate were reversed, and the general category candidates were placed higher to them in terms of the direction issued by the Assam Administrative Tribunal wide order dated 13/6/2007, passed in connection with appeal case number 21 ATA capital A capital T capital A of 2003. Full stop. Having stated above, the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3 have made the following averments in paragraph 13, which is reproduced herein below for ready reference. Full stop. From the averment made in para 13 of the counter affidavit filed by the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3, it is thus apparent that when the petitioner had retired from service, the departmental authorities were still examining the question of retrospective promotion, general category candidates, as well as their entitlement to receive pecuniary benefits. In continuance of that process, what step, if any, has been taken with regard to the claim of the petitioner is not available on record. The learned departmental counsel has also not been able to throw any light on the said aspect of the matter. This court is conscious of the fact that the petitioner has retired from service more than 11 years back, and therefore, at this point of time, entertaining his plea for correction of, for alteration of the gradation list may not be legally justifiable. However, since the departmental authorities have assured the petitioner that his case for retrospective promotion is still open, and the question of granting pecuniary benefit therefore, the question of granting pecuniary benefit upon the departmental by the office to the officers pursuant to such exercise will also have to be deemed to be kept open by the department at the time of filing the counter affidavit. Situated thus, without expressing any opinion on the merit of the case, this writ petition stands disposed of by granting 4 weeks' time to the petitioner to submit a fresh representation before the respondent number 2, ventilating his grievance in the matter. If such a representation is submitted by the writ petitioner within 4 weeks from today, by enclosing a certified copy of this order, the same being examined and disposed of by a reasoned order as expeditiously as possible, not later than 6 months from the date of receipt of the same. With the above observation, writ petition stands disposed of. Nice, Lord.
Obliged.
Made, please, your lordship. That the petitioner has challenged the departmental proceeding, your lordship, by way of which he has been dismissed from service. He was,
This matter will take some time.
it will take some time.
I may not be able to
Yes, sir.
do it. 2 weeks. I won't have time to write a judgment. Our learned counsel for both the parties, on joint request of parties, this matter is directed to be district for hearing again after 2 weeks.
Oblige, lordship.
Yes.
My lord.
My lord, we have received an affidavit filed by the respondent number 125. So we want to file a reply in response to 2 weeks time.
Otherwise, my lord, earlier affidavit we have filed on a specific query of the court, my lord, whether he can be considered in any other post. Now, my lord, he has been, my lord, dismissed from service because of his, my lord, color blindness. Now, all the posts on CRPF are combatized posts. Now, there are no such posts, my lord, there is a notification, my lord, 2009. My lord, regarding the general duty, they are constable GD. And all other cook, carpenter, all other are constable cook, constable barber, this type, my lord. All have to go weapon training and all this. And in case of emergency, all has to come. Now, since 2009. Now, regarding a color blindness person, my lord, maybe for one of two, my lord, fault of the, my lord, one of medical officer, he has been appointed. But during training, my lord, is dismissed when it is detected, my lord, during the annual checkup. Now, no such possibility. And regarding, my lord, this, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, on 35 2005, my lord, 25 this year, my lord, on order has been passed by a coordinate bench, my lord, regarding such type of matter, my lord, similar. So it cannot be given. In that case, the acute psychiatric patient, that was something different, but this is also color blindness, my lord. No, in no such post he can be given. This
So
is the
why are you making this submission? You asked to file a rejoinder.
no.
You want the court not to give him that time. And
No, no,
dismiss his
my lord,
petition.
thus earlier we have filed the affidavit regarding paravise all this, my lord. Only this specific query that whether he can be given or not. I have given the reply that with the notification that it cannot be given. Now, my lord, what else? My lord, no objection, but regarding that query, I have submitted.
Let him file the
My
rejoinder.
lord,
You are Mr.
P. Hazarika on behalf of SR Raval.
Mr. S.R. Raval, learned counsel for the writ petitioner submits that a copy of the counter affidavit filed on behalf of respondent number 5 has been served upon him. And therefore, 2 weeks time be granted to obtain instruction and to file the rejoinder. Mr. K.K. Parasar, learned standing CGC appearing for the respondent number 1 to 5 is present. He does not have any objection. In view of the above, let this writ petition be listed again after the rejoinder affidavit is filed by the petitioner. This is an old matter. In any case, there is nothing in it. But if you want to flock a dead horse, it is up to you. He lost it. He lost it.
So Mr. Gupta is on legs, my lord, in court number 8. As per his instructions received, my lord, this matter has become infructuous, my lord. He has already got them, my lord.
Yes. Why it has become infructuous?
There was some promotion was granted automatically because the post was abolished, my lord. So instructions were received.
Yes, so he's saying promotion has been granted. You are for whom? Respondent.
Yes, my lord. And for respondent, in this matter, they are claiming for parity of pay. The post of ASI was subsequently abolished in a cadre review. And my lord, he was granted promotion for the post of SI. My lord, the instructions which I have given on the first page.
Petitioner was serving as what?
He was serving as, my lord, ASI physiotherapist.
Hmm.
So, my lord, he was claiming a higher pay scale of SI physiotherapist. On the
So,
ground
He
that
has already been promoted.
now he has already been promoted to SI physiotherapist, and the post of ASI has been abolished in a cadre review. My lord, if my lord will see page 13.
Page 13.
Page 13, my lord, small internal page, my lord, on the top. Last 3 pages, my lord, if my lord will take page 13.
Hmm.
My lord will see SI physiotherapist existing 0, creation 8, abolition 0. Thereafter, my lord, ASI physiotherapist existing 8, abolition 8. So this ASI post was abolished, and my lord, it has been brought to SI. So the post of SI has increased.
And where is the order of his promotion to?
First page, my lord. From the medical directorate, promotion appointment from physiotherapist assistant sub-inspector to the rank of physiotherapist sub-inspector during the vacancy year 2024. Having adjudged fit for promotion by a duly constituted DPC, competent authorities pleased to approve promotion in respect of following physiotherapist assistant sub-inspector to the rank of physiotherapist sub-inspector with immediate effect in the pay matrix level 6, 35,400 to 1,12,400. And the name of the petitioner is at serial number 4.
What is the date of this order?
It is 4. No, it
Yes,
is
so he has already been, yes.
4920. 4920. Malor, it is there 3924. In a very small malor, it is written on the box, the top malor.
So we'll close it. If you are aggrieved, Father, what is your name?
Lordship, myself, Preeti Gupta.
Huh?
Preeti Gupta.
Take down. Ms. P.D. Gupta, learned counsel is present for the writ petitioner. Mr. H. Gupta, learned CGC has appeared for the respondents. First of all, the writ petitioner herein, while serving as ASI physiotherapy, had approached this court inter alia praying for a writ of mandamus, directing the respondents to give him the benefit of 6th Central Pay Commission applicable for the post of physiotherapist in BSF establishment by upgrading his pay scale. Full stop. In other words, the basic relief sought by the petitioner was to give him the benefit of the pay scale applicable to the post of SI physiotherapist. Full stop. Today, when the matter is called up, Mr. Gupta, learned CGC, has produced a copy of the notification dated 8/9/2024, issued by the competent authorities in the BSF.
Malor, it is 39.
8/9.
39. Malor.
3/9/2024, issued by the competent authority in the BSF to submit that during the pendency of the writ petition, the petitioner has already been promoted to the post of SI physiotherapy with effect from 09/06/2021. That apart.
No, Malor, it is with effect from 24 only.
No, so it says continue with tenure will be reckoned with effect from. And his tenure.
No, that is the tenure of posting, Malor, not the.
That is not required.
Malor.
So and so. And the post of ASI has since been abolished in the organization. Full stop. In view of the above, Mr. Gupta submits that the grievance of the petitioner has already been redressed. Mr. Ms. Gupta, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, has also fairly agreed to the said submission. In view of the above, by granting liberty to the petitioner to approach this court once again, agitating grievance, if any, arising in the matter of implementation of the pay scale given to him is in the post of SI physiotherapy, this writ petition stands closed. That's all.